Hi, Albert here. Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to get a text onto a computer. Maybe you have a written text like this one, or it may not be a written text. It may be a typed one or something like this. Now you want to type it again, or maybe you want to type this whole thing, but you don't want to go through that stress of going to type on the computer. I'm going to teach you a very simple way to do that. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to talk about the things you need. You need your phone, of course a good phone, and then your PC. Now you need to be logged in, as in Google, okay, with your Google account. In this case, I'm logged in here, Google. So this is my account, mailalbert.owusu@gmail.com. And on the PC here too, I'm logged in Chrome, mailalbert.owusu@gmail.com. okay. Now download and install Google Lens, okay, from Play Store. So Google Lens. All right, I've already installed it, so that's why it says open. Open it, and then it says search with your camera. So search with your camera. There is search, there is text, there is translate, there's homework, there's shopping, there's places, and dining. Now we move to text. All right, put your documents here, and then just take a snapshot of it, like so. Take the snapshot. The snapshot is taken. Then you go to select all the text. All right, it's loading from this part. If you are working on your phone, you can just say copy text, but because you might probably be typing, like you want to transfer this text into Microsoft Word or something like that, so you just say copy to computer. Now because I'm logged in on Chrome on this PC, you can see the name of the PC here, HP Envy. Now there's my other PC. It says 1 hour ago active, but this PC is active now, you know, because I'm connected to the internet and I'm logged in. I'm also logged in here, so I'll just choose this PC here. It says copying, and then this is the file now. All right, so you can easily come here and then paste it. That's all to it. So let's confirm. It says beautiful foundation Montessori Center, end of first term examination. You have beautiful Montessori. It didn't really recognize, so the accuracy will be dependent on the handwriting. If you have a very good handwriting, trust me, you just go smooth. All right, so over here you just do your editing, Montessori Center, then end of first examination, you do your editing. All right, I'm just doing this part then. Okay, so bolding it. So you see term, you just add your R, and then it allows you to work very fast. Let's try an already typed document like this one. Okay, so let's do it again. Google Lens, text, and then we take the shot like so, then select all. All right, copy to computer. We select the HP Envy, this PC, this particular PC. You see it right here, it says copied, it's coming from Chrome, text copied from this phone. All right, so now you can easily paste. Now because there's an already typed text, you saw how easy it was to get. It's the same way with the handwriting. If you have a very good handwriting, you can get everything so smooth, and then it will allow you to work fast. Guys, that's all to it. Thank you very much for sticking to the end of this video. I hope you learned something, and this is going to help you to work very fast. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to hit a like button and smash the subscribe button to help the community, and I'll see you in the next video.